I want to make one thing clear, though. If you are in an economically disadvantaged part of the world, a regional part of the world, or you're in a personally economically disadvantaged situation because of COVID or other things of that nature, we do and will offer regional pricing, and we will offer help to those individuals that are finding things a little bit tough. Join the Slack community. You will get that link through James's videos, and then reach out to me personally in the Slack community, and I will look at your situation, look at the region of the world. We already have people from India and people from Latin America and people from other parts of the world who are taking the training, both to become a trainer and a consultant in this, but also as just deep learners. And they've all benefited from regional pricing and economic support that we provided. So we're not differentiating. We want this to be education for all. This is education. This is not certification. We'll give you the piece of paper when you've proven yourself, but we are doing this to help people become more holistic, capable people, to help the future of organizations. There is genuinely a deep belief in the educational value and benefit of this. And I want to help those that can't afford to pay US rates for training. So if you're not in Western Europe or USA and you can't afford, or North America, and you're struggling with these things, join the Slack community, reach out to us. We have regional pricing and some support in place for those who are struggling economically or want to have a sea change in their career, and they've been affected by the current crises. So we will help and support those. So I wanted to make that visible to the people who are watching this.
Yes, and I'll make sure to try to add that on the end of my other videos as well, so that gets on as well. But just make sure that you can remember to use my links to do it, maybe. But awesome.
You won't get the 10% discount code or coupon or benefit if you don't use James's links. I mean, the links are coded to give you the discount. So unless you use that link, the code won't work. So, I mean, that's the key thing.
I would love to hear what you think in the comments below for sure. And if you have any questions for Nigel, you can of course reach out directly, or you can put them in the comments below. Maybe he'll swoop in with his Nigel YouTube channel, which you can also subscribe to, and come comment on them as I let him know that they're there. But would love to know what you think, future trainers. And I really honestly think that this is going to be something amazing for anyone who decides to be a trainer, anyone who decides to learn the flow system in the first place. And of course, I believe it's going to be game changing for organizations who decide to use the flow system and embrace all the deep knowledge and learning that's there. But if you, of course, we always love if you like and subscribe. But thank you, Nigel, for joining me, and keep on learning, guys, and hopefully become a trainer.
Thanks, James.
Keep on learning. Thanks. Keep on learning, and see you next time.